back. Yes! So finally I am back. I have been MIA for about a week, and I know you guys have been really wondering what has happened. Where's Bobby Cat? I am here. I am fine. I just needed a little bit of time to rest from my stressful schedule, but I am back. I'm well rested and I'm ready to go. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into this gorgeous, glamorous, beautiful DIY. Alright guys, I will be taking this large floor mirror from Walmart, and I got this for around $5. So now I'm going to be going in with these spoons that I picked up from Dollar Tree. You guys have enjoyed this little DIY. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscription button as well as the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.